Welcome back to day 2 of Verticon 2025 in Dallas. We're here. Today we're going to go look at a few of the UH-60s, S70i, Blackhawks that are around the show today. Starting here with HeliOps. This aircraft obviously optimized for the aerial firefighting role. If you look inside, you've got underneath the aircraft, you've got the tank. The tank, if you come back to the picture here, you can see is a bellows sort of mechanism. So as you use the hose to fill the tank expands below the aircraft. The benefit of that, if we come into the aircraft, the benefit of that rather than an internal tank system, as you can see, is that the interior of the aircraft is still available for cargo and for other supplies that you might need. You're not losing the interior space of the aircraft for water. The tank itself obviously is designed to compress and eject water in the event of a hard and forced landing. The other benefit of this is that you notice this is a standard Blackhawk undercarriage. You've not had to go for the raised high wheel undercarriage that the Firehawk has. So that's reducing your costs. You can fit this tank to a standard Blackhawk, whether you use an S70 or whether it's a best UH-60 acquired from the US Army. As you walk around the aeroplane, you see most of it remains fairly stock. Instrument panel, fairly stock. It hasn't received a comprehensive glass upgrade like a lot of the aircraft at the show have gone. Again, helping you to maintain your costs, keep your flexibility for this aircraft to use it for other roles. And then coming around this side, because firefighting is not always a 24/7, 365 occupation, you've got the STC bubble window on the side, so you can use this probably for some sort of utility role, and also obviously for fire dropping, being that really accurate sort of view. So you've got that for utility and fire work as well. And you've still got the ability to fit other equipment to this aircraft depending on the STC that you need. And here down this side, you can see that the large tube which you use to hover over, get into a pond, get into a lake, get into a river, get into somebody's swimming pool, and pull that water back up in the tank, expanding the tank. And then the big benefit, of course, between a tank and a bucket. A bucket system is cheap, it's easy to buy, easy to fit, not an awful lot of training required. It's just like any sling load that you do. The advantage of a tank is speed, because you're not worried about bucket trail angles, you're not worried about your speed on the fire ground. You can maintain your speed with this, and it's all about the water cycle. Aerial firefighting is all about the water cycle. How quickly can you get to the water, to the fire, and continue that circle all the way around.